If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the app or website. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security Settings option. This section contains all the security features related to your account, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and select it. You may need to enter your password again for verification. Choose the option to disable or reset two-factor authentication. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set it up again, choosing your preferred method such as SMS or an authentication app and completing any necessary verification steps. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Robinhood. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance.